Hey guys, so Blackview has announced the BV9300 with a laser rangefinder and 100 lumens super bright flashlight. In this video, I'll be comparing the specs of the BV9300 with the specs of the BV9200 to see how the BV9300 has been upgraded to be better than the BV9200. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly dig into it. So the BV9300 is 22.8mm thick and it weighs 520 grams, while the BV9200 is 13.6mm thick and it weighs 310 grams. So obviously the 9300 is a lot heavier and thicker than the 9200. The BV9300 boasts a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and the display is protected with the Gorilla Glass 5, while the BV9200 has a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate as well, and it is also protected with the Gorilla Glass 5. The BV9300 is powered by the Helio G99, while the BV9200 is powered by the Helio G96. The BV9300 utilizes 12GB RAM and it has 256GB internal storage, while the BV9200 has 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. In the camera department, the BV9300 is equipped with a triple rear camera setup, a 50MP primary sensor. It is the Samsung GN1 sensor, followed by an 8MP ultra wide and 2MP depth camera, while the BV9200 also is equipped with a triple rear camera setup, a 50MP primary sensor. It's also the GN1 sensor, followed by an 8MP ultra wide and 0.3MP depth camera. The front-facing camera of the BV9300 is 32MP, while that of the BV9200 is 16MP. So the battery capacity of the BV9300 is 15,080 mAh, and it supports 33 watts fast charging as well as 5 watts reverse wire charging, while the BV9200 is backed by a 5,000 mAh battery and it supports 66 watts super fast charging as well as 30 watts wireless charging. So while the battery capacity of the BV9200 may be a lot smaller than that of the BV9300, its charging speed is much more superior in my opinion. So the BV9300 and the BV9200 runs on the DocOS 3.0 based on the Android 12 operating system. So other features of both devices are pretty much almost the same. Both devices are equipped with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Both devices support NFC. They are both military standard 810H certified. Both devices are rated IP68 and IP69K. But the BV9300 has two features that the BV9200 lacks, and that is the laser rangefinder and the 100 lumens super bright flashlight. So these are the top specs and features of both devices, and what I would say is that the BV9200 is equipped with superb specs, guys, although most of its specs are inferior when compared to the BV9300, but it's still a feature-packed rugged phone. And of course the BV9300 is going to be launching, I think, on the 10th of May, and I think the price of the BV9300 at that particular time would be very cheap. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about both devices, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.